Hi, I'm Nicole Westervelt with Spellbinders, and I am thrilled to show you a brand new Christmas card kit that we have coming just in time for the holiday season. This thing is packed with enough materials for you to do tons and tons and tons of Christmas cards. So let's see what's inside the box. So this is the Merry Everything Christmas kit, and we're going to pop it open to reveal tons of goodies. Now, first and foremost, with all of our card kits, we make sure we include an informational sheet about what comes in the kit, and also just a little project idea sheet here. So just shows some quick little step outs on how to assemble this adorable little Noel card. Because the primary thing that I want to point out, which really is the Spellbinders mark on this, is a die set. So we are known for our dies. We're best in class die cutting. And so this is a 9-piece set that creates an adorable little car. You can decorate it however you want. You can put the tree on top, you can put a little bow, all kinds of fun little things. And you can of course reuse this again and again and again. Now, card kit's going to come with 25 card bases and envelopes, but you can make way more than 25 cards with this kit. We've got a whole set here of die cut pieces that you can use to embellish your cards. I think there's about 100 or so of those in there. There is a tag and twine set. There's 24 tags of various prints with accompanying twine, which you can, again, jazz these up, or they're cute enough to stand on their own as well. These gorgeous holiday colored embellishments. Look at how stunning those are. Beautiful. We've got these dimensional stickers. Look at the cute little mini envelopes with the Dear Santa. Lots of fun there. We've also got some memory cards in here. So for those of you that are scrapbookers, there's a whole set. There's some 4x6 and some of the smaller size that are perfect for pocket scrapbooking. So you can use these as card fronts, or of course you can use them in your holiday memory keeping as well. So big, robust set of memory cards there. We also have embellishments. So many of us already have our own adhesives, but it's always fun to throw those in so that you can literally take this whole kit, throw some scissors in, and like craft at a Starbucks or something, and you're all set. We also have a clear stamp set that comes in the kit. So of course these will mount to your clear blocks. Great holiday sayings and just super fun, fresh, on-trend fonts. There is a paper pad that comes in here. This is 48 sheets. And really fun. Again, a lot of the same looks that you're going to find in the other parts of the kit, so everything works really well together. So it looks like you get two designs of each of those, 2 sheets of each of those designs. More stickers, so some dimensional chipboard ones. These ones are really fun because they're foil sayings, and they're these little strips, so you can add them, you can mix and match and add them to your card fronts. And then we have some of these other larger format stickers as well to add sentiments and adornments to your cards. There's some beautiful chipboard glitter sentiments here as well. A lot of fun. We have these more epoxy stickers, and pull them off of this so you can kind of see that. Actually, I'll slide this behind so you can see the contrast. But look at how fun. Beautiful, shiny, dimensional. Look at this little precious reindeer. Isn't she cute? Adorable. We've got a glitter alphabet. Now these are foam, so these are nice and dimensional. You can see that. Get a nice robust set there. Beautiful. There's a little bit of twine. Again, you can add to your tags or to your cards. And then we get to our cardstock. So we have some gorgeous foil vellum here in a stripe and a star. Isn't that beautiful? We've got some sheets of glitter paper. So we've got a red, and then kind of a white, which make a beautiful snowy background, or to die cut any of those little embellished pieces. And then we have several sheets of blank cardstock. So you can use these as layers on your card fronts, or you can even use these to create even more card bases. So remember when I said you can make well over 25 cards? Well, again, we have 25 card bases already included, but then you can use these sheets as well. Ooh, and look at that gorgeous gold peeking in there. Gorgeous silver. Oh yes, so beautiful. Nice assortment here of colors to create your holiday cards.